everyone, my name is Blissful Melissa. Now before we get started, let me just point out, if you hear a fan in the background, that is because earlier today it downpoured and flooded through two of the windows and currently drying the carpet with the fan. And I moved Lore and Luca's cage around a little bit, so if you hear extra loud weaking, it's Lore because he can see me now a lot better because they were in the corner. And now they're kind of in the middle of the room at the moment because I was vacuuming, and then it started flooding in the window, so we'd move things, so they're still in the middle of the room. It is also like 9:45 at night. But here we are. Today's been super busy, obviously, or else I would have filmed it sooner. But today we're opening up our June Kinder beauty box, which I'm super excited about. Now I have peeked in this, and I've used one of the products because I was out of it. Yes, you'll understand. So our first look in, move this up. Okay. I packaged it all back the same how it is, so you won't be able to tell. So we got some leaflet things, and then here are the products. Okay, so first off, this it's just telling us about this highlighter we got. So I'm not going to read this out to you, but just know that's what that is. And then here's our little pamphlet that we love so much. So we're going to start with this because, so I haven't read what any of this stuff is. I just opened it and looked and was like, I need this one. So this is a Switch to Pure hard cognac sponge. This incredible sponge gently exfoliates and cleanses the skin, leaving a radiant glow. It removes dirt, excess oil, impurities, and makeup. Simply soak the sponge and add your favorite soap to the sponge for a deep cleanse. This natural, sustainable, biodegradable, cruelty-free, and vegan-friendly beauty tool is made without parabens, latex, a word I can't say, or synthetic fragrance. So this is what it is. So it's just like a rock right now. So obviously when you soak it, it'll become really nice. And it says important to hang to dry and it'll last 2 to 3 months. So that's kind of cool. It kind of sucks how much like packaging there is with it, but it's okay. It's still a really cute idea. Next, this is what I'm interested in a lot. This is a product I didn't use, but it's this. Okay, it's very powdery. It is the AU Natural Highlighter. AU Natural is a clean break from toxic makeup. Finally, full spectrum color play with all day color stay. Made with good for you ingredients that support your skincare. Welcome to the clean color revolution. So this retails at $32, and I want to open it up. So wait, hang on a second. How does this work? It's a pump. Okay. Even though I just cleaned my face. Holy crap, that's a lot. That is so much. What have I done? Okay. It's everywhere. Holy crap, I just wasted a lot. It's super pigmented though. Here, I will. What if I? Let's wipe this off. Holy crap. First off, spray. Very dangerous. Spray powder. Holy crap. Hi, George. It's everywhere. It doesn't have a smell, but you can't really see it. I mean, you can. Okay. That was not what I was expecting, but whoops, sorry, Tobi. But you know, I'm here for it. I'm down to try something new, of course. Don't mind my bangs. They're being crazy this evening. So crazy. Okay. Caution. Spray highlighter. Okay? Dangerous. But like, you can't really pump a little bit. You have to pump a lot. like, there's no like half pumping it. You just press down and then your hand looks like this. Just like, you can't see that. Oh, it just blew away. We're going to move on from that. So we'll move on to the thing I did use. It's this little face toner. It's also a spray. Also dangerous because spray things can be a little intense sometimes. But this is the Gypsy Soul Organics Face Toner. This lavender flower facial toner is infused with green tea, aloe vera, and witch hazel to balance, clarify, and hydrate combination oily and blemish-prone complexions. It is formulated to reduce oiliness, fight blemishes, and treat combination or oily complexions. It smells amazing too. So this retails at $30, and it does smell amazing because I use some. George, what are you doing up there? So I did use some of these this morning actually, because I was like, I'm out of face toner, and it just so happened that one came in our box. So that's that. Now we will go on to this big boy. So this is Sensuals. I guess I'll just read it to you. This is the Sensuals Natural and Organic Skincare. That's the company. So this is grapefruit turmeric hand repair cream. This 100% natural cream is fast absorbing and provides deep nourishment to hard-working hands with replenishing shea and cocoa butter. It's handcrafted with organic argan, sweet almond oil, and aloe to repair and restore the skin, while pure essential oils offer a beautiful aromatherapy experience. So this retails at like $8. Oh, I just am not doing too good tonight. Anyways, I should learn by now. There's a little thing over it so you can't smell it. So I might honestly see if my mom's interested in this, because she's working in the garden a lot because she loves the garden and being outside, and her hands do get dried and cracked from being there. Ooh, I put some on, but I have highlighter all over my hand because I didn't think it through. Okay. Now I can't get the lid on. Okay, just to tell you how great my day is going, my iPhone was like, iPhone storage full. So here we are, back again for the last item in this cute little cardboard container, and it says Be Kind on it. So this is the Kind Poppy. The Kind Poppy Dreamsicle Sea Salt Bar Soap. Our favorite summer treat is now blended with an ocean twist. Our body will feel moisturized, exfoliated, and incredibly soft. We love the smell of sweet vanilla swirled with fresh citrus fruit, and we are outright obsessed with exfoliating sea salt. Using sea salt creates an eco-friendly alternative that won't pollute the planet with microplastics commonly found in exfoliating products. This sensational blend was custom made just for Kinder Beauty. So this retails at $8. First off, the container, super cute. I'm all for it here. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I'm in love. I am in love. Hang on, there's a little piece. I'm going to stick it back in there because I don't want to waste any of it. I'm here for it. Oh my gosh, look at this. Here's the little bar of soap. It smells like oranges. It literally smells like a dreamsicle if you think orange and vanilla. Oh my gosh, like, I could eat this. It smells so good. So it has a little card that has all the ingredients on it, which is super nice. And then they're based in Nashville, Tennessee. That's cool. And then it says at the Kind Poppy. So that is really cute. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited to use this. I might use it to get my highlighter off my hand. I really wish you could see it better because it's intense. That is really cute. I really like this box. Sometimes the boxes, like, yeah, I like the stuff. It's nice. But this, I'm like, I can see myself really using all of these products and, like, enjoying them. Like this soap. Love a good soap. Especially bar soaps. Like, handmade bar soaps are my favorite. There's this little shop on the main street. And it's called Joy's Collective Market. Fun fact. And there's this soap shop. I just said like 5 times. There's this little shop that makes soaps and bath bombs and all stuff like that. And her soaps, I think it's a she. Their soaps. I can't really remember, but their soaps smell amazing. And I have one that's apple honey champagne, and it's to die for. That's a fun fact. But anyways, that was our June Kinder beauty box. What did you guys think? I am here for it. I mean, the soap, the face toner. I mean, I've already used the face toner, and I really, really like it. I mean, I've only used it once, so I can't really compare it to anything, but honestly, a face toner is a face toner. I was using just straight up like witch hazel before, so this has a little extra fun in it, I guess. This is dangerous, very dangerous. Okay, if you haven't opened this, don't just spray it willy-nilly. Spray it because you're going to use it, because a lot comes out, and it's very pigmented. And just spray highlighter in powder form. Scary. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you all very soon. Bye!